Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing well. So I am back with another interesting and informative video, and my today's video's topic is about health benefits of chia seeds. And number one is omega-3 fatty acid. Chia seeds are rich in polyunsaturated fats, especially omega-3 fatty acid. Chia seed lipid profile is composed of 60% omega-3, making them one of the richest plant-based source of these fatty acid, specifically of alpha-linolenic acid or ALA. The omega-3 in chia seeds can help reduce inflammations, enhance cognitive performance, and reduce high cholesterol. Number 2 is fiber. Fiber is associated with reducing inflammation, lowering cholesterol, and regulating bowel function. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber with a whopping 10 gram in 2 tablespoons. That is 1/3 of the daily recommended intake of fiber per day. Number 3 is antioxidant. Seeds are rich in antioxidants that help protect the body from free radicals, aging, and cancer. The high antioxidant profile also helps them have a long shelf life. They last almost 2 years without refrigerating. Number 4 is mineral. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain 8% of the DRI for calcium, 35% for phosphorus, 24% of magnesium, and about 50% for manganese. These nutrients help you prevent hypertension and maintain a healthy weight and are important for energy, metabolism, and a part of DNA synthesis. Number 5 is satiety. Satiety is a feeling of being full and satisfied, which help lower food craving between meals. Combination of protein, fiber, and the healing action of chia seeds when mixed with liquids all contribute to their satisfying effect. Number 6 is gluten-free. Seed contains no gluten or grain, therefore all of the nutritional benefits of chia seeds can be obtained on a gluten-free diet. 7 is egg replacer. Outer layer of chia seeds swells when mixed with liquid to form a gel. This can be used in place of eggs to lower cholesterol and increase the nutrient content of food and baked goods. To make the egg replacement, mix 1 tablespoon of chia seed with 3 tablespoons of water and let sit for 15 minutes. Number 8 is can be digested whole. Like flaxseed, which are also high in omega-3 fatty acid, fiber, and minerals, chia seed do not need to be ground in order to obtain their nutrients or egg replacement benefits. Number 9 is dyslipidemia. Published in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that chia seed as a dietary fat source can lower triglycerides and cholesterol level while increasing HDL or good cholesterol. The study also found that when substituting chia seed or other fat source such as corn oil, the ALA was able to prevent high triglyceride level and reduce central obesity. 10 is blood sugar regulation. Chia seed can play an important role in regulating insulin level that can reduce insulin resistance and decrease abnormally high level of insulin in the blood. Hope this video is very beneficial for you. I'll be right back after a short break. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.